Hi, I'm Ella, and I have just found out that I have a connective tissue disorder and a genetic disease that causes me to lose all of my hearing. I wanted to make a bucket list of sounds that I wanted to experience for the first and likely the last time. It's okay to experience something that might be a fleeting moment. But still enjoy it and allow it to heal parts of you that haven't been broken yet. Loss does not mean the end, and there's going to be a hole in your heart, but it doesn't mean that you're not able to fill it with something beautiful.